Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another DIY for you guys. Yes, my fun-filled DIYs. I'm going to be making some Christmas decor DIYs to share with you guys today. Yeah, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on my video. And if one of you are my oldies and goodies, thank you again for all your support that you always show. Alright everyone, let's get into the items that we'll be using for today's DIYs. Alright everyone, here's the items that we're using for today's DIY. And before we get started, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am starting a new channel. Well, I've had this channel, about 5 to 6 years now I've had this channel. And I didn't really use it. I started using it with my niece, and then I got away from using it and just had it there. But I'm going to start up using it again because I'm going to do some vlogs and some hair reviews. I'm going to be sharing a lot more with you guys over there on that channel. So I'm going to leave a link below for you guys to subscribe. It's called Petal's Corner. Yep. And I'm going to leave the link below. And if you'd like, you can go over and subscribe and also support me on that channel. Alright everyone, here's the items, like I said, that we'll be using for today's DIY, and they will be listed down below so you can see where I got them from. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright everyone, we have our square mirrors here, and I am just gonna place them like a letter T. This is how I like to make my box. There's lots of ways to make them, but I like to make mine this way. Now I'm going to use some duct tape and tape the sides together. And now we're just going to bring our box together and join them with the duct tape. And of course, if the duct tape gives a little trouble, just separate it. Fix your squares a little better and then rejoin them. I find this way a little bit easier. There's lots of ways to do it, and whichever way you're more comfortable with, that's fine. You can do it any way you choose. And now with these shape mirrors, I'm just going to use smaller duct tape and hold them together, put a little support at the back until they're all taped together, then they'll be more firm and stand up. But just the same method, a smaller duct tape. And we're going to tape all the sides together. And now that it's all taped, we're just going to add some glue to each of the sides and make it nice and firm. Okay, now our box is all done. We are going to decorate our gift box now. I'm going to be putting fur on the sides. So we're just going to use the hot glue, and like I always say, you can use any adhesive that you would like to do to glue down for your project. Yes. So I'll just be placing the 4 strips onto the 4 corners to hide the imperfections of our box. And now I'll be adding some bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, going along the bottom of our box. And now we'll be placing some along the top of our box. And again, some strips on the very top part of the box. I love the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. It's so nice and shiny. You know I like shiny things. And also because you get the length. So you can cut the strips any size, any length, any thickness that you want. I love working with this bling wrap. And now we are going to make a bow for our gift box. I have this ribbon here from the Dollar Tree. And we are just going to fold it and cut the length that we want using some hot glue to glue the sides together. And then we're just gonna fold the center of and make our little bow. And then I'll be using some of our bling wrap to hold the bow together in the center with some hot glue. Okay, I didn't realize my camera had shut off. So, you missed the gluing down of the bow and also cutting the bottom strips of the bow. But all I did was take 2 strips and I cut these little, cut them sideways with the scissors. So you get this little look at the bottom. And then I'm just gluing them together. Yeah, to make a nice bow on top of our gift box. And now I'll be using some Christmas flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree and just decorating the top of our gift box a little more. Now for our other box, I'll be placing a thicker piece of fur going right round the center. And for both boxes, I didn't have a piece on the bottom. I used just the 5. Yeah, 5. I used just the 5 mirrors and placed them together, and then there's nothing on the bottom. The bottom is open. And now that our fur is on, I'll be using these gems to help decorate the box. And these gems you can get from Walmart, or if you're here in Canada, you can also get them from Dollarama. And now that our box is all blinked out with the gems, I think that looks so cute, we are going to place a ribbon on top. This time now I took 2 ribbons. I got these ribbons both from the Dollar Tree also. And this is how I cut the strips for the bottom. Remember I thought I was recording earlier when my camera shut off with the first one? Well, this is what I did. I just cut the strips and glued them together like I'm doing here. And now I'm taking one of the Christmas decoration flowers from the Dollar Tree and gluing it on top of the ribbons. And then I am going to take the bow that I made and just place it on top of the flowers. And put a little glue so it stays there. And here's our finished look, everyone. I like how they turned out. 2 beautiful gift box decor for the 2019 Christmas season, using items from the Dollar Tree and our blinged out gems from Walmart and from Totally Dazzle. And as you can see on this gift box here, I added a little Totally Dazzle gem within the bowl. I think it looks so nice. I like this. These are 2 cute and fun gift box decor ideas to place anywhere throughout your home, on your coffee table, on a mantel, on your entryway table, anywhere you'd like to place this decor, even in your bedroom. Yeah, it's very nice in the office, anywhere. I think they look super cute. And I placed a LED light that I got from the Dollar Tree into this gift box here. As you can see, it's lit up. I turned off the light so you can see it better, and it looks very nice. I think it looks nice with the light. It will look nice and cozy if you're sitting in your home, you know, watching TV or anything. You dim your lights. I think it will look very nice and cozy in your whichever era you have it in. I like how it looks. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's DIYs. These cute and fun Christmas gift box decor for the 2019 Christmas season. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And I hope you get a chance to go over and check out my other channel, Petal's Corner, and show me some support over there. And like I said, the link will be down below in the description box. Just click it on, go over and even just say hi. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's Christmas box DIY decor that I did for you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.